the Xmaster Formula Indicator for MT5. This free MetaTrader indicator helps traders spot market trends on MetaTrader 5, MT5. It's simple to use and shows you when to buy or sell. The Xmaster Formula Indicator uses a combination of moving average and MACD logic to trigger buy or sell signals. What does it do? Shows green and red arrows on your trading charts. Helps you spot good times to trade. Works for stocks, Forex, crypto, and more. Sends alerts, email, sound, or pop-up when it's time to trade. How to read the signals. The tool uses colors to make things clear. Green arrows equals good time to buy. Red arrows equals good time to sell. Yellow line equals helps you follow the trend. When you see these signals, you know it's time to look closely at the market. Making it work for you. Best ways to use it. Works great on fast-moving currency pairs like Australian dollar to US dollar or major indices like Nikkei. Perfect for short-term trading, 1 to 15 minutes. Double-check signals with other indicators like RSI. Set up alerts so you don't miss anything. How it works behind the scenes. The Xmaster Formula Indicator uses 2 moving averages, helps track price movement. MACD shows market momentum. Smart alerts that only buzz when something important happens. Optimized code for fast execution. Things you can change. You can set up pop-up alerts, sound alerts, email notifications. How the chart looks. How often you get signals. Real examples. By example, when trading Australian dollar to US dollar, a green arrow means prices might go up soon. Sell example. When trading Nikkei 225, a red arrow means prices might drop soon. Conclusion. The Xmaster Formula Indicator for MT5 is free to use, easy to understand, works well in busy markets, helpful for all types of trading. You can use it whether you're trading currencies, stocks, or crypto. It's a simple but powerful tool for your trading. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite free MT5 indicators below. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a trading tip.